Not all investing strategies are created equal, but this one turns your money into a wealth snowball. In today's video, we'll break down how dividend reinvestment plans, or DRIPs, can supercharge your wealth even if you're starting small. Let's dive in. Part 1. How GRIP works and why it matters. A dividend reinvestment plan is simple. Instead of taking your dividend payouts as cash, you automatically reinvest them into buying more shares. Let's say you own stock in a company like Coca-Cola or Johnson & Johnson. When they pay you a dividend, that money buys you more shares, which then earn their own dividends. It's like compound interest in action, but with stocks. And the best part? Many brokerages offer this for free. Part 2. The dividend snowball. Imagine rolling a snowball down a hill. Each spin adds more snow, and soon it becomes massive. That's exactly how GRIP works over time. Your reinvested dividends buy more shares. These more shares pay more dividends, which buy you more shares. This feedback loop is what we call the dividend snowball. It starts small, but give it time and the results are powerful. Part 3. DRIP in action. Compound growth examples. Let's bring this to life with 2 examples using a compound interest calculator. Example 1. You invest $100 every week for 30 years at 12% annual return, which is possible with long-term dividend growth plus reinvestment. Your total investment, $144,100. Your final amount, over $1.1 million. Example 2. You invest $1,000 every month for 30 years at 12% annual return, which is possible with long-term dividend growth plus reinvestment. Your total investment, $361,000. Your final amount, over $2.9 million. That's the power of consistency plus DRIP plus time. If you're serious about building wealth through dividends, reinvest them. DRIP is simple, automatic, and incredibly effective. Are you feeling discouraged by how long it takes to build wealth? Remember, time will pass anyway. The only question is, will your money be working for you or just sitting still? Are you currently using GRIP in your portfolio? Let me know in the comments. Like this video, hit subscribe for more easy investing tips. See you next time.